Have you ever wondered about the future of humanity and the role genetic modification might play? Are you curious about the potential benefits and risks associated with altering our genetic makeup? In this video, we'll dive into the complex and often misunderstood world of human genetic modification, exploring its implications for our health, society, and the very essence of what it means to be human. Human genetic modification refers to the process of altering the genetic makeup of human cells or embryos. This can be done through various techniques such as gene editing, which allows scientists to precisely target and modify specific genes, or gene therapy, which involves introducing new genes into cells to replace or correct defective ones. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we approach healthcare and could lead to groundbreaking treatments for genetic diseases. One of the most compelling arguments in favor of human genetic modification is its potential to prevent or treat a wide range of genetic disorders. By identifying and correcting disease-causing mutations, we could eliminate the suffering caused by conditions like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and sickle cell anemia. Additionally, genetic modification could open up new possibilities for enhancing human capabilities, such as increasing resistance to disease, improving cognitive function, or extending our lifespan. Despite the potential benefits, human genetic modification raises significant ethical concerns. One of the most contentious issues is the idea of creating designer babies, children whose genetic traits have been selected or modified to suit their parents' preferences. This raises questions about the extent to which we should be able to shape the genetic makeup of future generations, and whether doing so could lead to a new form of eugenics. There are also concerns that genetic modification could exacerbate existing social inequalities, as access to these technologies may be limited to the wealthy and privileged. Research into human genetic modification is still in its early stages, but significant progress has been made in recent years. In 2018, Chinese scientist He Jiankui claimed to have created the world's first genetically edited babies, sparking international outcry and raising concerns about the ethical implications of such experiments. Since then, there have been calls for a global moratorium on the clinical use of germline editing until a robust regulatory framework can be established. The regulatory landscape surrounding human genetic modification varies widely across countries. Some, like the United States, have relatively permissive policies that allow for the use of gene editing in research and clinical settings, while others, like many European countries, have more restrictive regulations that prohibit germline editing. There have been efforts to establish international guidelines and standards for the responsible use of these technologies, but consensus has been difficult to achieve. Public opinion on human genetic modification is complex and often shaped by media coverage and popular culture. While some see it as a promising avenue for improving human health and well-being, others view it as a dangerous and unethical tampering with nature. There is a need for greater public engagement and education on the topic to ensure that people have a clear understanding of the potential benefits and risks. As research into human genetic modification continues to advance, the possibilities for future applications are vast and exciting. In addition to treating genetic diseases, these technologies could potentially be used to enhance human capabilities in ways that were once thought impossible. For example, we may be able to boost our immune systems to better fight off infections or even slow down the aging process. However, realizing these possibilities will require careful consideration of the ethical and societal implications. While the potential benefits of human genetic modification are significant, there are also risks and uncertainties that must be carefully considered. One of the biggest concerns is the possibility of unintended consequences, such as off-target effects that could lead to unexpected health problems. There are also questions about the long-term implications of these technologies and whether they could have unforeseen effects on future generations. The widespread use of human genetic modification could have profound implications for society as a whole. It could lead to changes in family dynamics and social structures as parents grapple with new choices and responsibilities related to their children's genetic makeup. There may also be new forms of discrimination based on genetic traits, leading to the creation of a genetic underclass. Addressing these challenges will require ongoing public discourse and policy discussions to ensure that the benefits of these technologies are distributed equitably and that the rights and dignity of all individuals are protected. Human genetic modification is a complex and rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform our understanding of health, disease, and what it means to be human. While the benefits are significant, so too are the risks and ethical concerns. As we continue to explore these technologies, it is essential that we do so in a responsible and transparent manner, engaging the public in meaningful dialogue and ensuring that the interests of all stakeholders are taken into account. By working together, we can harness the power of genetic modification to improve the lives of countless individuals while also safeguarding the values and principles that define us as a society. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the hidden truths surrounding human genetic modification. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is crucial that we all stay informed and engaged in the conversation. We encourage you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below and to like and subscribe for more informative videos on cutting-edge topics that shape our world. Together, we can work towards a future where the power of genetic modification is used for the betterment of all humanity.